What's up guys, Thiago here. Welcome back or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start a review of the new 2 smartwatches from KOSPET with a nice sleek design. So we have KOSPET Magic R10, hang on guys, the other way around, here we go, and the KOSPET Magic P10. In this video I'm going to tell you all about these smartwatches and specs, how they look, and in the end I'm going to tell you if they're worth the price like always. With this said, let's start the review. Right guys, looking at the price, they have different prices, so they look really nice, as you guys can see here. Have a sleek design and feel really good, but we got get into that in a minute. So looking at the price of the KOSPET P10, it has a price tag in UK of £159. The KOSPET Magic R10, this one here guys, is also has a price tag of £159.99 for the UK. Looking at the US, the price tag for both of them is $129.99. Like always, I'm going to leave links in the video description, so please use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. I'm also going to leave a discount code there so that you guys can use it. Let's carry on with the review. Right guys, let's start with the unboxing. Inside of the box you will find a smartwatch itself, a magnetic charging cable, the instructions manual, and I have an extra leather strap. The Magic R10 comes in a round design, while the Magic P10 opts for a larger square face. Both feature stainless bezel and a single crown, with the KOSPET logo etched at the top and bottom. The build quality feels solid and refined, and the watches are surprisingly lightweight given their premium materials. Looking at the design now, the Magic R10 sports a 1.43 inches AMOLED display, while the Magic P10 stretches out to a 1.96 inches. Both hit 1000 nits of brightness and include an ambient light sensor, so visibility in direct sunlight is no issue. The Corning Gorilla Glass adds durability, and the anti-fingerprint coating keeps things clean even during workouts. On the wrist they look and feel far more expensive than their price tag, so whether you are going with a rugged round R10 or the sleek square P10, you are getting standout visuals and polished finish. Setting up the KOSPET Magic R10 and P10 is quick and intuitive thanks to the new app, Apexmove. Both smartwatches run KOSPET Priority Lightweight OS, designed for smooth performance and lower power consumption. It is not Wear OS or Harmony OS. It is a custom system built specifically for KOSPET hardware, optimized for fitness tracking and smart features, and also battery efficiency. The interface is clean, responsive, and easy to navigate, whether you are swapping through the menus or using the rotation crown. Looking at health tracking is where these watches really shine. Both use the next-gen 4PD biometric sensor, the same kind you'll find on high-end wearables like Apple Watch or Garmin, and let's not forget the price of these watches. You get accurate heart rate, stress levels, sleep stages, including REM, and even emotion tracking. The watches sync seamless with the new Apexmove app. You can download the Apexmove app on Google Play or App Store. The app offers detailed insights, training plans, and syncs with Apple Health, Strava, Samsung Health, and Google Fit. It's intuitive, responsive, and adds real value to the overall experience. Let's have a look at the smart features and daily use. Beyond fitness, both smartwatches support Bluetooth calling with a built-in mic and speaker. You can take calls, receive app notifications, and control music playback right from your wrist. When you're making a call, the audio is clear on both ends. The touch response is snappy, and the UI it's easy to navigate. Whether you are working, walking, winding down, the KOSPET Magic R10 and P10 blend into your routine. Next is the battery life and durability. Battery life is another win. With regular use, you are looking up to 12 days on a single charge, and standby time stretches to 50 days. Even with GPS workouts and always-on display enabled, I go a solid 8 to 9 days before needing to recharge. Both models are rated IP69K and 5 ATM, so they are built to handle water, dust, and the occasional drop. I wore mine during workouts, showers, day to day, and no problems whatsoever. Next is my final opinion. So, which one should you choose? The KOSPET Magic R10 is ideal if you prefer a rugged round design and want a slight more compact feel. It looks great if you have a suit or if you dress casual. The KOSPET Magic P10 is great for those who love a larger display on a modern square look. Great for gym. Both deliver the same core features and both have the same price. With premium materials, pro-level tracking and smart features packed into a stylish frame, these watches are a serious contender in the budget smartwatch space. Right guys, this was our review on the KOSPET Magic P10 and R10. This one's here guys. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so please use them. I will have also a discount code for you guys, so use that. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.